On January 14, 1994, the lighthouse at Erie Point went dark. It was not because of a storm or a power failure. 3 experienced keepers simply walked away, leaving their dinner on the table and their personal belongings behind. When the Coast Guard arrived 2 days later, they found one final entry in the logbook. It was not about the weather. It was a list of names, and those people were never supposed to be there. We are looking at case file 882J. It is a simple, official document, but it hides a terrifying mystery. At 2 in the morning, the log entries stopped being about the wind or the sea. Instead, the handwriting, which remained perfectly calm and steady, recorded a strange note. The lights are reflecting off nothing, but the weight is still here. Why would 3 professionals who worked together for a decade suddenly leave everything behind? There was no sign of a struggle, and no record of them being unhappy or confused. To find the truth, we looked at their history. All 3 men were reliable, calm, and had no history of mental health issues. After searching through old town records, we found something strange. 3 weeks before they vanished, a permit was signed for a secret survey of the cliffs, right under the lighthouse. That area had been closed to the public for 38 years, ever since 1958. It makes you wonder, did they find something in those cliffs that the government wanted to keep hidden? We asked the government for information about that survey, but they claimed no such records exist. That is impossible, because we have the permit right here in the files. This is not just a story about 3 missing men. It is a story about what is being hidden beneath those cliffs.